Hello, I'm Joe, Fleet Manager of Silchuk Transport. Today we're going to go over jump starting your truck and your reefer. So you park your truck for a couple days and it doesn't start. So all of our trucks, we have jumper cables located in the side compartments, whether it's passenger side, driver side. This truck is on the driver's side. Some are in a case, some are just wrapped up. We do. Take them out. Make sure you keep your ends separated. You don't want them touching. Kenworth, your batteries are located right on the top step. Little latch behind here. Squeeze it, open it up. Make sure you go around the cable. Give it a little shake, make sure it's good. Don't hook up your ground yet. Over on the Volvos, your batteries are located behind this panel. It's attached by cables. Again, keep your cables separated. On a Volvo, you have to make sure you connect your cable around the bar. Again, as much as possible. Along with these nuts are notoriously known to be plastic on a Volvo. Make sure you hook up on the metal bar around the nuts. Otherwise, you will not have a connection at all. And then from there, come over to your other truck with the good batteries. Hook up your ground cable. Make sure it's attached well. From there, you're going to start the truck you're jumping off of. Then give it usually around 5-10 minutes to charge up. Then you can come over to the truck you're jumping. Reach in and it'll start up. And then let it run to charge up. While it's running, you can disconnect your cables. Again, ground first. Make sure it's not make contact. Come to your other vehicle. Disconnect your ground. That way you don't have contact with anything. Then you do your power. You don't have to worry about shorting out now. Then you roll it back up, put it back in the case. While it's charging up, close up all the doors. From there, say thank you to the nice guy who jumped you. The other method of jump starting your truck and or your reefer is you do it from trailer to truck or truck to trailer. Again, get your jumper cables out in the storage compartment here. Your battery on all the reefers are installed behind this cover. Connect your positive connection first. Hold off on your ground. Say we're jump starting the truck. And come over here. Connect your positive cable again first to the bar. You can connect to this point, or over here. This middle one's usually harder to get to. Connect right there, it's fairly simple. Ground, again, these nuts are usually plastic, so always connect to the bar. From there, you come back over to your trailer. Hook it up. From there, since we're jump starting the trailer, we'll start the truck up. Give the trailer 5 to 10 minutes to charge up. All right, we waited 5 minutes. Let's give it a try. Hit the on button. Successful jump start. Now, again, take your cables off. Reach in, disconnect your ground, take your power off. Do not let them hit. Shut this door. And roll them up. Please make sure you put them back. If you don't, you'll be sorry next time when you need them. Some common issues to why your batteries would die is either you left your dome lights on for an extended period of time, you left the truck a couple days, your refrigerator was left on, and if you're going to be parked for a few days, make sure everything is shut down along with shutting off the kill switch. We will show you where those are located. Now the Volvo, the battery shut-off switch is above the batteries, all the way in the back. To shut off the battery shut-off switch on the Volvo, you're going to turn this handle to where the holes line up, and this is up and down. That is the off position. On a Cascadia, your kill switch or battery shut-off switch is located alongside the driver's seat. Right as you open the door, to shut it off, just turn it to the off position. It is labeled off, and you will hear things power down. All right, now we'll go over to a Kenworth, show you on one of those. All right, on the Kenworth, the battery shut-off switch or kill switch is located towards the back of the driver's seat. Again, it is labeled on and off. Just turn it to the off position, and there's a locking tab that it'll hit against. Again, to make sure when you connect to a Volvo battery especially, you connect to a battery bar. It's best to do it on all of them. You're going to get your best connection there. Volvo has the plastic nuts. You're not going to get a connection, and it's not going to jump start. So make sure to connect to the bar. Main reason for dead batteries, lights are left on, refrigerator is left on for extended time, inverter, all that stuff will kill the batteries fairly quick. So make sure, shut it all off before you leave for the night or for an extended time. For an extended period of time, please shut off the battery shut-off switch. If you have any issues with it, reach out to me and I will get you set up at a repair facility to get it taken care of. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share.